Hello guys, I'm showing how to download the best virtual DJ on your phone. Before I start, please subscribe for more videos. Let's get started. First you launch Play Store and you search for DJ and look for this is the app. This is the app. The best DJ. So after you install it. After you finish downloading it, then you click the home button and then you click the so that you can do all. Before you start, you must ask for permission. You click OK so that you allow. After you've allowed, this is how it's like. This is how you use it.